Another set of thunder showers came rumbling across the capital and indeed many parts of western Trinidad. It's been quite steamy, there's a lot of moisture in the air, but at least for now the Atlantic remains quiet. In terms of the rainfall, we have been seeing just over 121 millimeters at Piarco, which is just under half. We are halfway through the month of July, so we should be seeing obviously a near normal month in terms of rainfall for the next few weeks. Meanwhile, out towards the Atlantic, there's a lot of dry, dusty air, courtesy of that Saharan dust. So basically, no tropical cyclone activity is expected in the next few days, despite a tropical wave or two coming off the continent there. And there is one in the middle of the Atlantic, but that one is also fighting a bit of the tropical air from the Saharan dust. So that basically will likely remain as a rainmaker as it gets closer to the island chain by late on Sunday and going into Monday. So therefore, looking at what's been happening, at least over Trinidad, we have been seeing a bit of the clouds building particularly, but you will see conditions settle down after dark, but still a few showers are coming through, particularly across the hills. And then through Saturday, you notice those localized showers, especially for western Trinidad, around the Gulf of Paria in particular, and then on Sunday as well. There's still a lot of moisture and instability in the air, so another repeat is expected then. So Saturday morning, you start in Tobago with the clouds coming through Canaan, Buku. A scattering of showers through the morning will build as the day warms, and during the heat of the afternoon, do expect a possibility of one of those two heavier bursts, particularly down towards Scarborough and over the hills. For those of you in Trinidad, it should be a mostly settled night. If you're in central areas along the hillsides, you see a few brief showers, especially just before dawn. And as the day warms again, particularly in Trinidad, you'll notice those showers are building and turning thundery during the heat of the afternoon over western Trinidad, down towards San Fernando and coming into parts of Moruga as well. So it will be an unsettled day at times, especially towards the hills and during the middle of the day. So temperature-wise, looking at a warmer 25 degrees Celsius tonight in Trinidad, 26 in Tobago. 31 is set to be the high through the daytime in Tobago. That will continue through Sunday. Still a scattering of showers expected. One or two of those could turn thundery. And as we get towards the beginning of next week, the conditions begin to dry out following that Monday tropical wave. And we should be seeing Tuesday under brighter weather and warmer conditions. So if you are looking to head to the beach, despite a few showers around, it will be just pretty smooth going out towards the Gulf of Paria, around the Vesini, out towards Maracas. You could be seeing just a slight chop, 1 to 1.5 meters there, out towards the Atlantic, looking at 2 meter wind waves for those of you heading out sailing as well as boating. Now the rest of the Eastern Caribbean will be also drying out following that tropical wave. The wave will now be passing just south of Hispaniola, heading towards Jamaica on the Sunday. So that tropical wave will likely bring a lot more moisture, especially across the hills of Haiti, bringing some downpours there during the day, and then eventually pushing into Jamaica as we get towards the end of the weekend. So we'll start our tour then in Kingston with the sunshine first thing in the morning, quite hot as well, but that 34 will likely spark some late afternoon showers. Meanwhile, the 35 in Port-au-Prince will also spark some showers, but most of the time during the hilly parts of the island. Out towards Antigua and into St. Kitts, it's going to be warm, quite hazy as well. There will also be some warm showers down towards the south for Dominica and into St. Lucia. The hillier of the islands will basically attract most of those showers. And down towards Georgetown, showery spells continue, especially along the coastline, the ITCZ close by as they go through the weekend. So that's your weather, and that's it from me.